by student.
All these uploads are made by our students.
Ideas with different teaching styles, but somewhere along the way we became one team, one family. This was not just an English training. It was a journey of finding our voices, building our confidences, and then discovering ourselves as learners.
This guy? No, not exactly. So, this is an example of an idiom. So, what are idioms? Like in Marathi, how we use money. Writing fun-loving journey, which consists level 1, level 2, 3 and 4.
Language have to be more expressive while speaking to improve their communication and comprehension skills.
Idioms help students to think beyond the literal meaning and understand real-life language use.
Breaking dance. Yes. Nina shared the secret with everyone. Look at the picture. Understand what the girl. You have to see, observe what is there in this number, and you have to guess the correct. Congratulations, you have completed level 3. Now let us proceed to level 4.
Now it's time for final challenge. Are you ready? Sure? Let's. Can you guess the idiom?
Crying over spilled milk.
Yes, very good. Crying. And can you identify the meaning?
My name is Sharvari Shashank Longkar and our program is called Express.
These are the leaves and the leaves contains many. So read the word first. Expand. So can you see the picture? So can you guess the meaning? Yes. Yes. So first, you have to tell me the meaning.
There is a one mini train of 4 compartments: subject, verb, object, and extra words. It is designed to help young learners to understand sentence structure clearly. Would you like to try once?
Welcome to the language garden. Our group name is Grammar Gardeners and our Kadambari teacher.
Good morning, everyone. I am Kadambari Patil. Welcome to our suffix and prefix for first. Here and you have to try after that, okay? So, can you tell me what's written on this? You have, meaning un, right? Unprefix. So first, let us jump half from
Unhappy.
unhappy. So, very good. Now you have to place it.
A simple word changes its meaning to a beautiful word, and that beautiful word actually travels to a final word, and it gets it. Your simple word, madam, please come forward. You can see your play as a base value. You can see on the final word playful. It's like a fill in blanks. You have to pick one flash from.
Nice one.
Welcome to MP Music.
We are going to present one topic, our topic. Primary level. Over to the architecture.
Yes. Now here you can see we have made a mini LED budget friendly TV for the student of primary section. So the
Surface of the lawn. That is why here we use on, or on is used when something is touching the surface. So the sentence will be, the frog is sitting on the ground.
we have to use any preposition. So here monkey is behind the tree, and now we can say monkey is in the front of the tree. So both are the preposition. Now here
Here, the bird is moving here and there. Okay, so instead of using here and there, we can tell that the bird is moving across the forest. So across.
A very good job done by all the teachers. तो सगळ्यांनी खूप मेहनत घेतलेली आहे आपल्या रेग्युलर याच्यामधनं वेळ काढून टीचिंग एफर्ट्स घेऊन तर वेल जॉब डन बाय ऑल द टीचर्स. आय मस्ट कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट ऑल द टीचर्स.
Thank you again. Thank you for all participants and those who arranged this. Thank you.
So just to chip in.
Feeling like celebrating.